and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and I'm going to share with you today the other painting that I purchased from Dreamer's Design at the same time as getting Cobblestone Fountain. So this is one that you guys don't know about. You do know about my other Christmas one, but you don't know about this one. This was ordered in November, so I am still on my, so far, no purchases for 2024. But yeah, I've just been trying to spread out the unboxings just so that it's not too many all at once, because I must admit the designs that came out over November, December very much gripped me, should we say. This one, I had seen this one on their website. I have looked on their website, I have browsed through all the ones they have, but it was actually seeing somebody complete this one in their Facebook group that made me want it. Sometimes, even though the pictures are stunning online, depending on what paintings are surrounding it, what other things you are looking at, you know, other things that have maybe caught your eye earlier on, certain styles of painting, sometimes you end up missing out on others, I think, because your mind's just not in the right space to look at them properly. But this one is pretty bright. It's called Supernova. It is a monster, and this one is purely for my fun of doing bright colours. I'm pretty sure this is around, actually. It's looking like it's around, but look at this. It is 120 centimetres by 60 centimetres. What on earth have I got myself in for? I don't need to be adding one this big to my stash, but hey, I'm doing it. You do get the nice Dreamer Designs toolkit. I have been through their toolkits in a recent unboxing, so I'm going to save us both. I will have a look at the diamonds in a minute, but oh my goodness me, look at that. I can't even get it all in shot, even if I wanted to. But just think colour. Colour, with 310. So there is sort of an outline, not on everything. So for example, this doesn't have an outline, but these clouds do. Really helps some things be in the foreground and some things be in the background, even though it's of course 2D, not 3D. But that black really helps some things to pop. You can see over here we've got a sun and a moon. We've got some gorgeous background detail. We've got lots and lots of clouds, lots and lots of colour. We have 67 colours. 7 of them are ABs. So I'm going to have a quick look at where some of the ABs may go. So we have AB07, which is a yellow. There is a lot of that in sort of the sun, but in different places, not like the whole. This probably is a biggish section, but again, I wouldn't say it's huge. There's actually none on these parts. I was just checking we didn't have, number 2 wasn't an AB, but it's not. So we have them in different parts of the sun, little bit under this section here. I'm also seeing it, this yellow here. A little bit of this yellow outlining the orange. We've got some in this cloud. We've got some in this sun. We do have a little bit in that sun, only the one. We've got a little bit actually behind this red flower. We've also got some in this background down here. Yes, scattered. There's even more over here. These rays that you can sort of see going all the way through. Quite a bit of that is also an AB. Then we have AB08, which is a white. That is very much scattered. So these parts that you can see in white are ABs. this part of the sun is ABs. But then can you see these little squares that are appearing on here? And you can see these little squares here, and these sort of, they're not so much squares, they look a little bit like circles going down here. They're ABs. Also up here, these little sort of dots that look like they're framing the cloud, they're the white ABs. All these petals, this whole flower is white ABs. We've got some down on a cloud down here. All these petals are ABs. Then we've got AB38, which is a green. We've got some of that, this, oh, hang on, get the light out of the way. This green around here, not the bottom part, this top part, that is that AB. We've got some around the sun's face. We've got some up in this top cloud. It's a little bit of play hunt the ABs. They're scattered in little places. There's probably a little bit less of that AB. There is some down here at the bottom of these rays. That's AB, that's AB. There's a little strip of AB down there, so scattered about. Then we have AB211, which is a pale purple. We have some of that, see this purple here, it's actually the lightest before it goes to a pale blue. So that's AB on those two, not on that one. Doesn't have that paler colour. It does have a little bit down here, and then there's also this cloud here, this purple cloud. It's only this part over here that's the lighter colour that has some. We also have a little bit in this cloud, a couple of little highlights. Not the whole cloud though. Then we have 666 in AB, which is a red. That is in places, so it's not that whole flower. In fact, it's not any of that flower, but it is this dot here and just the top part of the next one. But then this flower isn't that AB. So that flower looks like a similar colour. Is it the same colour? Well, it's not. It's 606 there, and then this one's 666. These red dots on this cloud are the AB, as are these dots, but not the ones in the sun. There is some of the AB here at the top of the sun, a little bit on the eyelashes, and some in the mouth. This dot is an AB, but the other ones aren't. Then we do have, this is all that red AB. Going around it, not all of it, just a few of them, and a little bit in the bit going further out. So definitely scattered. Then we have 996 AB, which is that vivid blue. We have some here. We also have some here. We have some at the top of here. Let's see if I can get it there. So there is some little bits at the top of here. There's some bits down here. Where else can I see some? There is some at the bottom of this sun ray, but not this lighter blue that's around it. We have a little bit over here on sort of this sort of spray out, not all of it, just some of that. And then we have some on this. So hard, this painting's so big. I don't think I looked at the size. This is also AB. And then the last one we have is AB3823, which is a bit like an off-whitey colour. So these three sections either side of the sun, you see these three, they are that AB colour. Where else did I just see it? Oh, this cloud has like 5 of them. This cloud at the bottom has like 5 of them down there. This section here, behind here, that is actually that AB. And there's some behind this cloud. There's a couple of little bits in with this sun. Not loads, just a few here and there. And probably in a few more places as well. But quite a scattering of ABs in this one. But I say, I've seen this one done. It is absolutely stunning. Look at how bright that is. 67 different colours. And just look at them. I mean, just look at those ABs. So there's that creamy off-white J colour. Then we've got that yellow that we saw before. We've got the white. We've got the blue, the red, the lilac. Just going to be such fun to do. I'm kind of gutted. I am and I'm not, because it does my stash good to use some of my older paintings, to do some of my older ones. But I'm a little bit gutted that this wasn't in my decision wheel in time for me kitting up my next large round painting, because there was then a slim chance that this could have been picked, and this is such nice and bright colours. However, I do need to accept the fact that I have lots of other gorgeous paintings in my stash that need their chance to shine. So this one can be saved for a future date when I choose a large round painting. I'm not sure how long it will be until I do another large round, because say I've just kitted one up and I want to squeeze in some small paintings and some large square paintings, of which I have more. I want to sort of mix some of those into it as well. So it might be a while until I work on this one, but it's going to be so much fun when I do. So I will pop the details to it down below. This is one that I've bought for myself, though I do have an affiliate link down below. So if you are planning on buying one, if you can click on that, it helps a little bit. But this is definitely all my doing. So end of last year, I just may have bought a few. I'm trying to behave myself, but Dreamer Designs keep coming out with one, amazing new designs, and two, people showcasing ones in the Facebook group do not help me. But this is absolutely stunning and so beautiful to look at, and I think it's going to be so much fun to work on, which is what diamond painting is all about. But anyway, I am going to pop this one aside so it can go into my logbook when I update that at the beginning of the next month. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.